We're gonna go fix the snowmobile. You want me to get your table? Come on in. I'm gonna fix the snowmobile. Alright, so we finally got our new shock. Okay, fix it.
I fix it.
Yeah, you. Yeah, fix that one. Fix this one. That looks fixed. New shock. Right there.
Shock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There. That's fixed. Go fix the ski at the front. Go fix the ski. Fix it.
That's fine.
Oh, it's fine? Oh, sorry. WD-40. Yeah. What do you want to do with the ski? Okay, let's fix it.
What's this?
That's another shock.
Shock?
Yeah. Is it fixed?
No. It's not fixed. No.
Whoa!
Mama,
There. Looks like it's working.
look at this.
Okay.
Hold it.
Make sure it's working.
Foot. Fix it.
Okay. There you go, all fixed. Your turn. Yeah, little pins that'll probably break. Fix that one while I'm up here. Fix it up. Is it all broken? Because somebody sold it something broken and said it wasn't. Yeah. You work on that snowmobile. And I'll work on this one. Alright, go fix stuff.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah, go fix stuff. It's all fixed.
That's yours. Hey, where'd it go?
What?
You try for go.
Oh, the washers.
Washers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's hard work. There.
Does this too loud?
No, not too loud. You're in the garage. You can make all the noise you want. Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Cool. What are you gonna fix now, Ivy?
There go.
Oh, thank you.
It's the back.
Okay.
Where'd these go?
Leave those there. Those are for the other thing.
Oh.
They have Loctite on them.
Oh.
I'm getting a bath tonight, I guess. Those numbers.
The fish for IP.
3, 4, 0.
This.
340.
40?
Yeah.
You fix it.
Okay. Right here. There. What?
Rich.
Right for here. Uh-oh, where'd that washer go? The other one. Or this one. The pointy one. This one. Watch. That's the right wrench.
I do it.
Okay, your turn. Almost fixed. I put the shock on first, but I had to kind of What? You can do it. You gotta tighten it.
This side.
You can try. Maybe that side's too big.
That's not too big.
Yeah,
This one.
that's the right one.
The right one.
Oh wow, good job.
Okay.
Okay, here. Ready?
No, Mama, do it.
Okay, hold it. Look, there it goes. Whoa. Wow.
I'm here. That's up here. Here. Where are you, Dad?
Right here. Oh, I think I got it. All right, Ivy's done helping, so I came back out and finished off what we were doing. New shocks in there. Everything's Loctited, back bolted up. Springs are back on. It's not that it had a whole lot of suspension, or not that it should have had a whole lot of suspension. It's just it had none. So if you got no suspension, and something's gonna take up that shock, so you don't want it to be like any of these mounting bolts that are all riveted on or whatever. So anyway, long story short, Ivy gave me a hand, and now I'm gonna take her for a run. An old ski here, haven't touched it. This ski's new. Everything here is original, but this ski's new. New windshield, new shock, fuel lines, blah blah blah. I don't want to start the compressor right now because Ivy's asleep, so I'm gonna just sort of pull it off this, and you can watch me drop it. This was a bad idea all around. Okay, so that was louder than the compressor, so that didn't really make any sense, but. See you on the next one. Later.